And we are the Bully Busters. Yesterday, we talked about what bullying is.
The Bully Busters are taking over Red Cedar Elementary School. The super duo teamed up to record a series of messages educating students about kindness as part of National Bullying Prevention Month.
I hope that they think about what bullying is, what they can do to help themselves if they happen to be in a situation and they know that it's not good, that it is a bullying situation, what to do. And then the other thing is how to help others and practice kindness for others so that they can be helpful with these situations and have information to take with them about bullying. Do your best to be a positive influence for others.
The messages also focus on a specific character trait students can use as they spread kindness and acceptance to each other.
The biggest thing is to understand that respect, which is our mantra at Red Cedar Elementary, RESPECT, that if they do all of those things, and that's going to be something that will show kindness and the way that people need to be treated, and it's totally the opposite of how a bully would act. So we need to practice the respect. Let's make Red Cedar a place where others care and support each other.
The kids have enjoyed watching the videos and understand the importance of respect.
Everybody should show them to each other respect and not be rude to each other, because if you're mean to someone, they might feel uncomfortable.
Maybe people won't want to be at school or be your friend if you're being mean to them. That's why you should always be nice to people.
If you were mean to someone, they wouldn't want to come to school.
If you weren't kind to people, you would be mean to them, and if you were mean, if like this group of kind kids were playing, they wouldn't want you to be with them because you're mean, and you would probably do mean stuff.
Say something nice about someone.
Wednesday is Unity Day. It started in 2011 as part of National Bullying Prevention Month. Students are asked to wear orange to show support for kids who have been bullied. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Let's make Red Cedar Elementary a bully-free zone.